Hi, good afternoon. James Braithwaite here in my folks' garden again. Quite a nice cool day, which is a pleasure for August. Anyway, to cut to the chase, see these two wooden boxes here? I made these myself out of old pallet planks that I got from Park Road Industrial Estate. I've just screwed this one together. This one I did a couple of weeks back. That's going to be for all herbs and single line things, but I can put cabbages and stuff in that. I'm just waiting for me mother to find some paint out for me, then I can waterproof these. They're quite strong pallet planks that they're made out of, so these will last quite a long time, and they won't crack or anything like these old bollocks plastic window boxes you can get, and they'll last for much longer as well. Okay, I will show you more when they are painted. See you in the next one. Bye.